Welcome to By Kumi. Today we'll be making vegan-friendly ginger tofu inspired by my cousin. This is a 6-ingredient dish that is fast, easy, and pairs nicely with rice. Let's go. The ingredients today: 1 block of firm tofu, rice vinegar, my favorite is Mizkan, lemon, soy sauce or tamari sauce, green onions, fresh ginger. And for the tools: medium-sized mixing bowl, mixing spoon, I use a wide serving spoon, measuring cup, spoon or chopsticks for stirring, 1 tablespoon measuring spoon or measuring glass, ½ cup measuring cup, cutting board and knife, fine grater or microplane grater, teaspoon or paring knife, citrus squeezer, serving bowl. To cube the tofu, rinse the top of the container, slice 2 sides open, and drain out the water. For 1/2-inch cubes, cut the block in half widthwise. Now cut into thirds, making 3 slices. Now flip the slices on their side. Cut into thirds again, making 3 strips. Turn the strips to be horizontal. Cut into half and cut each half into thirds. Now you have cubes. Repeat for the other side. Place your newly cubed tofu in the mixing bowl and set aside. Clean and thinly chop enough green onions to fill a ½ cup measuring cup. I'm starting with 3 stems. It's close. I'll stop here and chop more later if necessary. Peel about 1 inch of the ginger. Use either an edge of a spoon or a paring knife. Now we're ready to make the sauce. Add 1/4 cup soy sauce or tamari sauce to the measuring cup. Add 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Add 2 tablespoons rice vinegar. And stir a bit. That's it. Or use a store-bought ponzu sauce instead, a citrus-based sauce that can be purchased at Asian markets. This one is from Mizkan and is lemon-based. It's time to put everything together. First, pour out any extra water in the bowl that drained from the tofu. Give the sauce a good stir and pour it all in the bowl. Add the green onions and grate the ginger. Mix carefully to avoid breaking the tofu. I'm going to add more ginger. We definitely need more green onions. The sauce should change color from the ginger. When it becomes lighter, try it out. I like lots of ginger and will add more, but add as much or as little to your taste. Mix and try again. This is really good. I think we're done. Enjoy! Thanks so much for watching, and as always, for more information or printable recipe, visit bykumi.com. And don't forget to share your photos. We'll see you again soon. Ciao!